In a small cave in South Cotabato, archaeologists found jars with human faces and viewers staring back. This is Ayog Cave, now Pinol Cave and Maitub. Today it's Sarangani, but in 1991 it was still South Cotabato, 1,000 meters from the sea, 6 meters above it. When the National Museum dug it, they found something never seen in the Philippines. Now fired burial jars, nearly 2,000 years old. Not round pots. People, sculpted with emotions, bald heads, missing teeth, pierced ears. And the jars told you who was inside. Female remains went in jars with breasts, males with male anatomy, buried with beads, shell ornaments, and iron tools, food for the afterlife. Most were already destroyed by treasure hunters. What survived is now locked away in the National Museum in Manila. No similar jars have ever been found in Southeast Asia. 2,000 years later, they're still watching. Have you seen them?